When2meet. When2meet is an online tool used to help find the best time to schedule an event for a group. The tool provides a graph and essentially a schedule showing the availability of all members of the group and makes it easy to scan for the best time visually. On my screen, you see an example of the page that you get to when you follow the URL that the host provided for the event. You may see highlighted the URL here at the top right of my screen. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the name of the event. This event is named Test Event. Under that, you see instructions on how to share the event with others. You can email them by clicking the text email them. You can send them a Facebook message by clicking the text Facebook message, or you can forward them the link by copying and pasting the link here at the top right. If the time zone that's shown doesn't match your time zone or doesn't match the time zone that you plan to attend the event from, you may want to change the time zone shown in this dropdown. Currently, the time zone here is set to America Phoenix. On the right-hand side, you'll see the schedule of the group's availability. Currently, you can see that 4 people have responded saying when they are and are not available for the event. Under this, you can see that the times for the event are being set between March 13th on Monday and March 17th on Friday. And that you can select your available times between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. on any of those days. In order to see who is available at any given time, you simply hover over the particular time. If you hover over a white time, you'll see that nobody is available at the times that are colored white. If you hover over a light green time, you'll see that some of the people are not available, but not all of them. So in this case, when I'm hovering over the time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Monday, March 13th, Attendee 2 is available, and Attendee 3, and Attendee 4 are unavailable. Now, in this case, in this schedule, darker colors mean more people are available. So there's a time window from 11, well, there's a time window from 10:30 to 11 on Tuesday, March 14th that is colored the darkest green. This is the time frame when the most people are available. It may not be everybody, but if I hover over it, you can see on the left-hand side that Attendee 2, Attendee 3, and Attendee 4 are available during this time frame on Tuesday, March 14th from 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you want to see the second best time, you simply scan the calendar that's shown here for the next darkest time, which occurs on Wednesday, March 15th between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. If I hover over that time, I see that only Attendee 2 is unavailable. Everyone else is available. If I hover over an even later time, like for example, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. on Friday, March 17th, you can see that Attendee 3 and Attendee 4 are available, and Attendee and Attendee 2 are unavailable. This is how When2meet represents availability. Darker colors mean more people are available, lighter colors mean fewer people are available. So given that this tool is meant to help you schedule the time, in order to share your availability, you will need to log in. Note that the password is only for this one event, and the name that you put in will be used to identify you to the other attendees and to the host of the event. And your name will display on this page before people have logged in, so you may want to be careful who you share the link with, or you may want to put an alias that other people recognize, depending on the level of privacy you need. So here, I'm going to log in as attendee 5. And I will use a simple password because this is only for one event. So you can see after we logged in, we now have another schedule showing here that is marked as attendee 5's availability. The lighter color, which appears to be pink, means that the attendee is not available, and the darker color, green here, means that the attendee is available. In order to select your availability here, you can either click on individual spots to show that you're available, or you can drag between time frames. And you can also drag across days. So you can see here that for attendee 5, I've marked 10 a.m. to 10:15 on Monday as a time when I'm available, and also 10:30 to 11:45, and 11 to 11:30 as my available time on Monday. On Tuesday, I selected from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. as available, and the same goes for Wednesday. On Thursday, I selected availability from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And now you can also see the changes reflected on the group's availability on the right-hand side. You'll notice that those 15-minute intervals have a different color than the 15-minute intervals I did not mark. And now if you hover over them, you can see attendee 5 listed under available. If you hover over one of the intervals I did not mark, you will see attendee 5 listed under unavailable. Once everybody has put in their availability for the event, you can then use another tool such as iCal or Google Calendar in order to actually schedule the event and send out invites to the attendees. Hopefully you can get the kind of attendance that you would like at the event and find it easier to schedule a good time for your meetings using this tool. Thank you for watching.